Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are showing you Type-C adapter. This is 5-in-1. So Type-C to HDMI, USB, hub, RJ45, PD charge. So yeah, you got the PD charge. So it's a Type-C, and then you can connect all these different devices. PD, RJ45, USB 3.0, 4K HDMI, USB-C. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. Also comes with a manual to guide you and let you know how it works. So this is it. We're showing you guys what you get. So on this side you got an HDMI, Type-C. You have your RJ45 here. On this side you have two USB ports, and this is the Type-C. So this would get plugged into a Type-C port. Overall, it's really nice. So you guys can see up close. So this is flexible, it is flat. Should get the job done for whatever you need.